In this video, we're going to go through a dedicated video on Shiba and the information behind this. If you do enjoy the video, then do smash that like button. It really does help out support the channel, and I've collated the information together for this video, so any help on the video would be greatly appreciated. And also thanks for all the support on the recent videos. There is a lot of interest in the crypto videos that I've been making. Let me know down below if there's any other cryptos you'd like me to cover, or if you would like me to cover Shiba in the future as well. Let's go into the information on should you buy Shiba and the information behind it, and get right into it. I've got to say, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm a business teacher, but I'm by no means an expert on the stock market. Let's get right into the information. So first of all, the ecosystem of Shiba is an experiment in decentralized spontaneous community building. The token is our first token, allows users to hold billions and even trillions of them. It's been nicknamed the dogecoin killer, and it can remain well under a penny and still outpace in small amounts, relatively speaking. Popular worldwide and already up to thousands of percent. Shiba token is the first cryptocurrency to be listed and incentivized on Shiba Swap, our decentralized exchange. We lost the 50% of the total supply to Uniswap and threw away the keys. The remaining 50% was burned to this area here in terms of the project. So interesting stuff in this, that they are another sort of meme coin in the sense that they're trying to beat Dogecoin. Now, as we know, Dogecoin has also been doing very well recently. You know, it's one that we covered in sort of December, January time, and it's up massively since then. And now Shiba is starting to gain a lot of traction and actually starting to make that movement upwards as well. It has been in recent times pulling back a little bit, but again, that could present a potential buying opportunity, which is what I'll go through in this video. But let's get right into some more information about Shiba. So another recent news that's come out is the fact that it's now being asset listing, in terms of you can now swap Shiba right now on StealthX. Okay, so they have this on board with an offer you can guys to get Shiba Inu token safely for 350 plus other cryptocurrencies without signing up. So they've added Shiba to their platform, and this is going to continue into be happening where Shiba gets listed in a range of different platforms as well, which does seem like it could be a potential catalyst there because it adds more accessibility to the coin itself. Now, going into this, you can see the fund will be put towards the financial relief of our developers, admins and marketing team. Need to make our ecosystem their full-time focus. We want these talented individuals to continue building on the solid foundation they gifted to us with their own time, money and energy. So essentially, they are thinking about the long-term future by having the developers on board that are working on this full time, so that they can then produce the best sort of solutions. That's what they're trying to do. So I like that. I like that they've got a long-term outlook in that sense. So they're allocating a certain amount of funds to the developers, okay, so that they can work on the development of what they're doing, right? Then they've got admins as well that are involved with that, and then the marketing as well. This is a really important part, this marketing. So the ecosystem is even more impressive when you consider that so far the entire effort has succeeded without spending a dollar on marketing. However, it will allow the team to deploy international marketing strategies such as commercials that will make Shiba the freshest mainstream cryptocurrency name. Okay, so they've achieved what they've currently achieved with basically no marketing spend. So if they can achieve what they've achieved without the marketing spend, imagine what they'll be able to do if they've got some funding for marketing to then get that coin out there, get it well known, and build the brand awareness of that coin. You know, the brand awareness has happened for itself through its sort of meme nature of the coin, and it's been spread about. Okay, but what will happen when you actually put some marketing money behind it? We're going to see this one absolutely do really well because more eyeballs on the coin, and the brand awareness is going to be going through the roof for this one as they consider looking at more marketing avenues to get this coin out even further. Okay, also it says here Shiba ecosystem that's what we've just read there. So, and then the fund will be put towards the continued advancement of the Shiba ecosystem. Okay, it is to keep up to date that momentum going. Okay, so you know, they've got a development fund for the ecosystem to ensure that it is effective, essentially. So they're looking at one hand the development of what they're doing there, but on the other hand, they're looking at the marketing factors in the fact that, you know, what would happen if they put more money into marketing. But the fact that it's managed to do so much in so little time with very little marketing is very, very impressive. Okay, now the roadmap here they've got here is what they're looking to do is launch an artist incubator, upcoming NFT project, releasing Shiba swag, and even potentially actualizing real world application that moves beyond the digital landscape. So there is a lot of catalysts in that one sentence there. Okay, a lot of different catalysts. They're looking to get into NFTs more in relation to their Shiba sort of brand. They've got the artist area, and then, you know, there's a lot of areas there which they, and a lot of avenues that they could take down. And I'm suspecting that we will probably get a good amount of news coming out about these areas, particularly the NFT project in the future, which could also be a potential catalyst that moves the price up even further. So how can you buy? Just for those who are unaware, essentially you can buy it in terms of on a decentralized chain such as Uniswap. Okay, so that's where you can buy it. Now the current chart you can see here for the coin here, for the token, it has had a bit of a drop off. It's actually lost a lot of its value recently, okay, over time. So, you know, as it gets down to this lower level, okay, what you're then doing is, of course, minimizing your risk. Now, if you're holding this for the medium to long term, these prices, you know, could be seen cheap. Like, and I remember when we're sort of talking about Dogecoin, should you pay 0.0007 or, you know, around that price, and then you look at it now and it's like, well, it doesn't really matter at that point because it's moved up so much. However, to, you know, kind of relieve the risk, essentially, to have a less downside on the coin, it is obviously always best to get it on a downward trend. Okay, and that is good to try and get it on a downward trend and see where it consolidates. So what I would do is I'd watch the coin, I would see where the consolidation appears, and then start to buy it at that point. But of course, you don't want to buy it at the highs or the recent highs. What you want to do is try to get it on a downward trend and wait for the consolidation and then get in at that point. But I do see that this has got a lot of potential, particularly the fact that it's managed to do so well with very little marketing, but also the fact that, you know, it's got a long-term approach in the fact that they've got developers there that they're working on this consistently, and then have also got those different projects that they're looking to embed within the coin here, so within the token. So it's got a lot of potential. If you did enjoy this video, then do smash that like button. It helps get this Shiba video right up into that YouTube search results, so that when people are searching for micro cap, or well, not micro cap, but searching for cryptocurrencies in general, right, then that comes up on the YouTube search result list. So if you could smash the like button to get this in the YouTube search results, that'd be much appreciated. Let me know down below if you would like me to cover Shiba even more, and I will certainly look at doing that. And I would like to say thank you for all the support as well, and I will see everybody in the next video. Remember to subscribe. Bye.